So this video will start by creating the signup route. The signup route basically will handle all the signup requests. So to do that, we'll go to our route folder, create a new file. This new file, we're going to name it signup.route.js. So once that's done, we'll create an exported function as usual. We'll name it signup route, and we'll put in the path, the T brackets, the method, and the handler, which is going to be an async function that receives a request and a response. So with the paths, we're going to give it the signup slug /API/signup, but the method is going to be a post method. We want to navigate to the server folder and install some dependencies like bcrypt, JSON web token. Yeah, I didn't spell that well. So that's going to install. Meanwhile, while it's installing, we're going to create our structure, email, and password from our request.body. Then we head over to create a database connection. But before we do that, we're going to import the database connection. This database connection is used to create that when you're using locally hosted MongoDB by running the mongod command. So it's going to check for the name of the DB, which is react auth. Then we create the user to check within that DB and for the collection of users and find one, which is the email. That line finds if the email exists. We'll put a condition: if the user returns true, should send a status 409. These are HTTP codes. I would advise you look that up to understand what it means. Ranges from around 1 to 500 or so. Then we'll move on to hash the password by creating a variable and calling it password hash, which is going to await the bcrypt hash algorithm. It takes a second argument, which is the number of algorithm you want. We then import bcrypt from the library that we just installed. Then also import JWT from JSON web token. These are the two libraries we just installed. Then that being done, we go back to the section of our code and we'll try to create an object. This object, we're just going to name it starting info, which is going to contain the various data the user are going to input on the client side, which are the favorite city. We're just going to set it to be an empty string. So this is what I mean. The favorite city, yes, set to an empty string. Professions, set it to an empty string. And the bio, set it to an empty string. Yes, this is just a demo object that comes in once the user is being registered. Then we'll go to the results, await the database query, selecting the collection of users and asserting one, which is the email and password. That's creating a document in the database. So after that, it's also going to insert the starting info and also going to put it's verified to false. This is verified is the demo Boolean value that comes when a user registers. So I have to do image verification. Then inserted ID will now be equals to results.